I decided to specialize in cleaning RV black and gray tanks. So my business is called Royal Flush RV. I'm Sue Rasmussen, and I'm a certified RV technician, and this was not part of a big plan that I had in my life, and it's turned out to be one of the most amazing things that I've ever done. I've been self-employed for about 25 years. I was a certified coach. I was a master coach, meaning I worked with women business owners on everything from their marketing to the direction they were taking their business. So coming to the NRVTA was something that was not part of a big overall plan. I initially was doing some research online to find out how I could learn to take care of my own RV a little bit better. And I happened to find the NRVTA when I was doing a little bit of research on how do you take care of your RV as an RV owner. So I immediately went online, looked at everything from the school, and realized they had a home study for RV owners, and I got super excited about that. And I wanted to get the material quickly, so I looked at where the school was and realized it was about 90 miles away from where I was staying at the time. I called the school and I said, I just bought the home study. Can I come on over here and pick it up myself, because I want everything fast. I don't want to wait for the mail. And so I came over and met Lady E, and she said, you know what? Why don't I give you a tour? And so she gave me a tour. She showed me the classrooms. In that moment, I realized, you know what? I want to do more than take this as a home study program. So I signed up for the full 5-week course. I decided I really wanted to become certified, even if the only thing I ever did with it was for myself. When I first started taking training at NRVTA, I didn't really have a plan on building a business. But as I started to go through the classes and I realized I really like this and there's a big need and I really want to do something with this, I started to look at, well, all right, what do I want? What kind of a business do I want? Do I want to do technical work for all the things that might occur on an RV? And what I ended up deciding was I wanted to choose one thing that I could do really well and that I could go and work on a lot of RVs. So I help people who are having issues with odors in the tanks or sensors misreading or clogs in the tanks. So it's a very specific niche. It's something that not very many people know how to do, and it's something that a lot of people need, because there's a lot of issues that come up in the black and the gray tanks. So my goal is to educate people on what to do and also to clean the tanks so that they can go on and enjoy their RV lifestyle. One of the things I know around having a business is that it's actually easier to let people know what you do if you're not doing anything and everything. And it's also easier for people to refer. And I like to do the same thing for other RV techs. So if there was an RV technician who specialized in doing roofs, it would be very easy for me to refer to that person. If somebody specialized in doing maintenance, maintaining hot water heaters and air conditioners, it would be very easy for me to refer. It's actually a little bit harder to refer people if they say I can do anything. Specializing to me as an RV technician is a really great idea, and it almost doesn't matter what you specialize in. Find the thing that you actually like doing, that you're very good at doing. If you're really good at doing carpentry, there's a lot of work for that. If you're doing, like I said, roofs or slides or hydraulics or solar system or generators, there's a ton of different specialties. And even though it seems like you might be limiting yourself, what you're actually doing is, number one, making it very easy for yourself to get very good at the thing that you're doing. You can really get to know that one thing, but it's also going to be very easy for people to refer to you. And there's going to be plenty of work in that one thing that you choose.
Guys, the RV industry has never been more popular than it is right now, and it's never been so understaffed. We need thousands of technicians and inspectors just like you. Click the link below to learn more and get your future started today.